Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be solving our next problem, that is SQL question number 17. So here we have to write a query to calculate the difference between current row and the previous row salary. Okay. So let's see the table first. So in this table what we are given, we are having ID, name and the salary. Okay. So what we have to use, basically we have to find the difference between the current salary and the previous row's salary. Okay. So we can do it in multiple ways. So like we can use uh, self join also, but here as mentioned we have to use the lag function. So lag function what it does, it takes the previous value. Okay, so it basically takes help us to take the previous value, right? So okay, let's see the query also. So what we did, we have taken the salary, name, salary, and what we have to find the difference. So difference, what we have, how we find the difference? We are taking salary minus lag of salary. Okay, what we taking lag of salary, our order by ID as salary difference from the employee. So what we are doing, firstly, we are doing the order by ID. So what I did, I order the ID in ascending order. So here we can see our data is already ordered in ascending order according to on the basis of the ID 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this part is done. Then we have what we have to use. We have to find the lag salary. Okay. So this thing is happening in backend. So it is not be printed. The output we will right here. Okay, so what will be the output? We will write here. So lag salary. So if we say for number one ID, is there any previous value? No. So what will be the lag salary for this? So we get the null value, right? Then what we have the Bob, and we see does it has any previous salary row? Yes, it has. So what is the previous salary? That is 50,000. So we will put 50,000. Then similarly we check for Charlie. Yes, there is a previous row. Yeah. So we put the previous salary amount here. And similarly for this. Okay. So we get the lag salary. And in output, what we will be getting, as we know, we have to print out name, then the salary, and third one is the salary difference. Okay. So we see two steps are already done. First is we have ordered our data on the basis of ID. Second, we have find the lag salary. Now we know. Now we have basically we are selecting the term. First term is name and salary. So first name is Li, yes, and salary is 50,000. Okay, and the second the salary difference how we calculate, which says salary minus lag salary. So salary क्या है हमारे पास 50,000, we will minus null value. Okay, so here we get the null because the second value is not a numerical value, right? And we can't subtract a numerical value, basically a text value or a null value from a numerical value. So what we will get here a null value. Okay, then moving to next, we have the Bob. Okay, and Bob salary is 55,000. Okay, and we have to find the salary difference. So current salary is 55 minus 50,000, but we will get the 5,000. Okay, now for Charlie, current salary is 60,000, and 60 minus 55,000, we again get the 5,000. Okay, then we have the David. For David, we see it's a 58,000, but previous salary is 60,000, so it will be minus 2,000. So we get minus 2,000 as a output. Okay, so in this way we are able to find out the difference between the current salary and the previous salary. Okay, so what we are doing, we are using the lag function that automatically find the previous value. And here like we wanted our data must be sorted, so we have used the order by ID and we find the salary difference. Okay, so this is the query which says select name, salary, and the salary difference. Salary difference, how we are calculating? Salary minus lag salary above order by ID from the employee. Okay, so this is quite easy. And here what we learn the use of lag function. Lag function, what it does, it basically finds the previous value, and if there is no any previous value, then it automatically assigns null value for the row. Okay. Hopefully you get it. If you have any doubt, just comment it down. Do like it, share, and subscribe for more videos.